Welcome back to my channel, Mel Just Simple. I'm Mel, and today I have another video for y'all. I'm getting ready to take down my Christmas decor and my Christmas Rae Dunn pieces out of my kitchen, and I want y'all to come along and watch the process and see how I organize and put away my Rae Dunns. It's a bittersweet moment because I really don't like to take Christmas stuff down. I wish I should say I could keep them up all year round, but I can't. So we're going to take them down, and the kitchen is going to be clean, and then I will start to put up something else. I don't know what, so just keep on watching and you'll see.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
So I'm showing you right now that I've just taken down all of my Rae Dunn Christmas decor on my wall behind me, and I still had to do more. I still have my canisters on my Hobby Lobby shelf that I haven't taken down as of yet, and I had a lot on the wall behind me. As you can see, I still have not taken down my gingerbread and reindeer snacks canisters and the other stuff on that shelf, and also more Rae Dunn. And also I have a lot on the stove to do. I still haven't taken down those on my stove top, and I still had the Santa's cookies that I have not taken down, the Santa canister and some milk. Over here I have my mugs still left up. I have yet to taken that down. And Over here, I still have my Fa La La sign and some more mugs that needed to be taken down.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution.
Hey guys, I just wanted to say thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I didn't get a chance to end the video the way that I normally do, but just thank you for going through this process with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and come back again for another video. Have a blessed day. Peace.
Like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me.